overcoming lack of inspiration and building resilience in 3D art. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for all 3D artists, how to overcome a lack of inspiration and build resilience in your creative process. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these tips can help you stay motivated and continuously improve your skills. Let's get started. 1. Embrace the creative block. First things first, accept that creative blocks are a natural part of the artistic journey. Instead of fighting them, acknowledge that they're temporary and a sign that you might need a break or a new perspective. 2. Seek inspiration everywhere. Inspiration can come from the most unexpected places. Look beyond your usual sources. Explore nature, architecture, movies, and other art forms. Sometimes, stepping away from your computer and experiencing the world can spark new ideas. 3. Set small, achievable goals. Break down your projects into smaller tasks. Setting and achieving these mini goals can provide a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. This approach makes large projects feel less overwhelming. 4. Learn continuously. Stay curious and keep learning. New techniques, software updates, and tutorials can reignite your passion and expand your skill set. Join online forums, attend workshops, and follow other artists to keep your learning curve steep. 5. Collaborate with others. Working with other artists can provide new insights and ideas. Collaborations can challenge you to think differently and push your boundaries. It's also a great way to build a supportive community around your work. 6. Practice self-care. Take care of your mental and physical health. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and sufficient sleep can improve your overall well-being and creativity. Remember, burnout is the enemy of inspiration. 7. Reflect on your progress. Take time to reflect on your journey. Look back at your previous works to see how far you've come. Celebrate your progress and use it as motivation to keep pushing forward. 8. Experiment and play. Allow yourself to experiment without the pressure of perfection. Play with new ideas, tools, and techniques. This can lead to unexpected discoveries and a renewed sense of excitement in your work. 9. Develop a routine. Establish a creative routine that works for you. Consistency can build discipline and make it easier to start working, even when you're not feeling inspired. A regular schedule can train your mind to be creative at specific times. 10. Stay patient and persistent building. Resilience means being patient with yourself and persistent in your efforts. Success in 3D art, as in any field, comes with time and practice. Keep pushing through the challenges and remember that every artist faces setbacks. That's it for today's video on overcoming a lack of inspiration and building resilience in 3D art. We hope these tips help you stay motivated and inspired. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Keep creating and see you next time. Feel free to adapt these tips to your personal style and share your own strategies in the comments below. Happy creating.
Thank you for joining me on this journey into stoicism and art. If you watched this video till the end, I truly appreciate your time and dedication. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow and refine your craft. Please check out my Gumroad link in the description below for exclusive resources and tools to support your artistic journey. And I'd love to hear from you. Please share your resilient approach to coping with adversity in the comments. Let's inspire and support each other in our creative endeavors. Keep creating, stay resilient, and until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your art. Jupiter Machine out.